Hello, welcome to How To Automotive. I got 3 tips for brand new mechanics, so stay tuned for that. Today on How To Automotive's tip of the day is oil changes. I always recommend that you look at your oil filter, and if you see this O-ring missing from your old oil filter, you want to go looking for it. So a lot of times it sticks to the housing here, and what happens is you install your new oil filter on it and you double gasket. If you're lucky, it just leaks oil. If you're unlucky, it'll spin the oil filter completely off and dump all the oil out and possibly blow the engine up on the vehicle. So double check those oil seals. Today I got a tip for you on those slow days. So this vehicle here was at our shop about 3 or 4 months ago, and we did an oil change on it, and I noticed then it needed front and rear brakes. So I documented it and made the customer aware of it. They did not want the service done at that time, but today the shop was slow, so I gave them a call and said, hey, a couple months ago your vehicle was in for the shop and it would need it front and rear brakes. We are slow right now. We have time. If you would like to bring it down, we can get that in. And because I took the time to document it and also to make a follow-up phone call with the customer, the vehicle's back today. We're going to do front and rear brakes on this vehicle. We're also going to do some more service work on it. So when those vehicles are in your shop, if you do a thorough inspection, and when it gets slow, you can call them up, and there's a good chance that you can get them to come in or schedule an appointment to come in. And if you use this technique, I guarantee you're going to increase your workload. Today I got a tip for you guys. So on this vehicle, I'm doing valve adjustment here. But before I get started adjusting the valves, I already got the covers off. As you can see, I'm going to go ahead and clean the mating surfaces here, get the gunk out, clean everything off as best I can. That way, when I'm adjusting the valves, that dirt and debris is not falling into the engine and causing any future problems. So I'm going to clean that first and then go over my valves and adjust it. So that's my tip. So when you've got these engines apart, the cleaner you can get it before you work on it, the safer it's going to be for you. I'm Brian from How To Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching.